those of you who didn't see my video last week, I ordered a pair of AirPods Pro, but unfortunately when they came in the mail, they were cheap knockoffs, so that was too bad. Fortunately, I have gotten my refund, so I ordered a real pair, hopefully this time, not off eBay, because I'm done with that for now. And here it is. So today, I'm gonna be unboxing and setting up and using for the first time AirPods Pro, refurbished AirPods Pro. And this is gonna be kind of a first look sort of thing. And then once I've tested them more extensively, seeing how the battery life holds up especially, I will be doing a follow-up video on that. Let's get to the unboxing. So I've already cut open the envelope, mostly because I don't want to struggle with it, because all of my address info is on this side, so no peeking. So if we get rid of this, here is the AirPods Pro box, and there's a little bit of crap on the back side of it. That's okay. This is not dented like the one I got with the refurbished pair. So if we just open this, we have our typical designed by Apple in California pamphlet. Let's see what's in here. We got the instruction manual. That's what this is. Regulatory stuff. No Apple stickers. Looks like just paperwork. That's okay. I already have way too many Apple stickers, including space gray ones actually that I got with my Mac Mini a couple of years ago. Now we get into the main event. Here are the AirPods Pro. I'm gonna take a look at those in a second. And if we pull out this insert, this is actually a really good refurbished model because it comes with the other sizes of ear tips. Those are the other ear tip sizes, because my ear canals are actually pretty small. So I like these smaller ear tips rather than usually the medium ones come stock. And then in here, looks like a Lightning to USB-C cable. Very cool. I don't have a USB-C power brick except for my my laptop charger, so I don't think I'll be using that. I have other Lightning cables. So here they are in all of their glory. So if we just peel off this plastic piece, that sounded really nice. Oh, looks like I also need to peel. Hold on. Let me get right up to the microphone. And of course, my computer goes off with a notification alert. Anyway, here we are with the AirPods. Okay, designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. Fun. So if we open these for the first time, oh, good to see. A green pairing light. Knockoffs didn't have those. Okay, so looks like these are genuine AirPods Pro. And the hinge, might I add, is still very sturdy, even though this is a refurbished model. Excellent. So now I will pull out my phone and attempt to pair with them. I am an Android user, just throwing this out there, so my review will be focused on AirPods Pro from an Android user's perspective. That's just kind of the angle I'm taking on it. I know others have done it. Let's pair a new device. Okay, AirPods Pro have shown up on screen. Let's pair. AirPods Pro active. Okay, so if I take these guys out, looks like this. Okay, so here are the AirPods Pro. If you watch my video breaking down the fakes, you'll notice these are not. There's the actual black vents. Don't know if you can see that. And of course, the ear tip connection is the proprietary Apple one. If I can get it off to show you. Yeah, there we go. Like that. There we go. Yep. All right. So now I think I might need to change the ear tips out, as I mentioned, for like a smaller size. I'm getting out the documentation again just to see what the controls are. Okay, here we go. So press the stem to play or pause. Okay, that's working. I don't like how interacting with them makes them fall out of your ear. That's annoying. So then press or double press to skip forward, okay? Did that work? Oh yeah, you really gotta punch it. All right, triple press, sorry. Okay, that worked. So Hey Siri obviously isn't gonna work because I'm on an Android phone. Press and hold, switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Wow, it is so early today. Okay, so I will tell you the noise cancellation is definitely working. I haven't really tried out the transparency mode just yet. All I did was I went over there into a room with a really loud ceiling fan and kind of tested it out that way. So far, so good. These are real. So pretty low bar to clear on that one, but definitely real. I will be going into more detail on the noise cancellation, battery life. Obviously, I don't have time to test battery life right now in the full review, which is coming up. Other videos have got in the pipeline. I found this old Fitbit Blaze around the house. So I'm going to be kind of talking about old smartwatches. Are they still any good? What can you do with them? So definitely lots of videos in the pipeline, including, of course, full video on these refurbished guys. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe, ring the bell if you want to see all of these new videos. And you can also follow me on Twitter at CalGNew for video updates and notifications.